Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to release the electric parking brake on Hyundai and Kia when you want to replace the rear brake pads. So I have this Kia Optima 2018 in here. I have already connected my scan tool to the OBD2 connector. So select your car first, Kia Export, Optima. This is Optima JF 2018. Then look for electric parking brake just right here. Connect to the system. Okay. So for some cars on some Hyundai and Kia, you have a special function in here, and that's named pad change mode. So you can use that option. On some others like this car, you need to go to actuator test, and you have some options for maintenance. So you see for the maintenance, you have release and apply for right hand, release and apply for the left hand, and these two, the last number 5 and 6, they are for the cable type, because Kia and Hyundai, they have actually two different types of electric parking brake and different models. Normally on the Kia Optima they have caliper type, but on some cars like Genesis, they have used the cable type electric parking brake. So this one is the caliper type. So first of all, you need to make sure the parking brake is released. Okay, the parking brake is already released. I release the parking brake right now, and I need to go for example, for the right one, caliper type, I select it. Okay, this is for releasing. And then the condition is ignition switch on, no DTC. Okay, if I click OK, so I can hear the actuator on rear right already operated, so ready for pushing back the piston and replacing the brake pads. So after replacement, you can do the same thing for the left side when you're replacing that one. Obviously for some models you don't need to do that one by one for the rear left and rear right. Normally there's just one option. Normally there's one option for both wheels on the rear side. After performing after changing the brake pad, you just need to select apply and press OK. Again, I can hear the actuator operation. Okay, that's it. So this one is gonna release, or is gonna apply the parking brake to give you some room to push the piston back when you are replacing the rear brake pads.